Are you looking for a fully renovated townhome in one of Burlington's hottest neighborhoods? Well, number 9 is your lucky number. And this is number 9 at 2880 Head & Forest Road. Hi, this is Danilo Jokanovic with the Betsy Wang team at RE/MAX Escarpment, and I'm so excited to introduce you to this stunningly renovated 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom townhome with a fully finished basement. Let's take a closer look at why this is the right home for you.